dean professors and consultant workers and managers. So, as the other presenter mentioned about the postgraduate stream, so these days medical administration also developing the field same. Like you can do MSc, then if you want, you can take break and work at hospitals. You want to do MD, similarly is 21 months training. Prior to that, you have to 3 months MD part 1 is full-time study at PGA, followed by 20 months training at various hospitals. That you can go and enjoy and see the places first, like you can see the National Hospital, General Hospital, Culture Director, peace and preventive field. So, very interactive training program is happening in the MD administration. At the end, similarly, now you have to undergo SR training at 2 places. Then, of course, similarly, you have to go switch training 1 year or 2 years. You can become a board certified consultant in administration. But while doing your studies, but you can, work at a hospital. In Sri Lanka, there are about 1,161 hospitals are there. So among them, more than about 500 hospitals need the medical administration. That is teaching hospital, general hospital, base hospital. Teaching hospital and general hospital we call director post, and base hospital we call medical superintendent. So who is the in charge of the hospital? And similarly, not only that, you can, after doing MSc, if you want, you can, work in the ministry, and there are campaigns, you can work. Selecting medical administration, now, you have to have a passion on doing the job on that. So, some people, mostly they want to have postgraduate qualifications. But my advice, selecting a field, you should have a passion to work on the field. So, after my internship, I worked in a post intern for 2 years, that I was posted to get a job as a regional director. Then I worked in that field. So I worked very hard, during, it is, district, is a district hospital. Post intern, I worked very hard. So I was posted to work as the administrator. I took the challenge. I want to work because people depend on the entire clinical districts. There were 12 institutions and preventive sector, curative sector. So I want to manage, where I developed the network with other people. Like, I have to work with government agents. I have to work with the ministry. I have to work with the NGOs and rural people, overseas people. So administrator, they should have a good network with outside also. So by managing your institution, because health system is not only the hospital staff, stakeholders, there are outside stakeholders also. We have to work with them. So if you are able to take in any challenges, then you can push the medical administration. Because running an institution is not easy task. So people will come inside, outside, every people will come and fight. But you have to be a person, smile on them. And when you have to take the right decision to run the institution without, hindering or affecting the service. So now, this is a challenging job. Now, life is a challenge, you can't, when as Dr. Raghuram said down the delivery, so the child has to make effort to breathe. So the child cannot effort breathe about 5 minutes, then gone. No life. So challenge is starting from newborn. So when you are alive, now because when period is over, now you are going to become a doctor, then challenge is start. So you have to take the challenges, but the administrator who need a balanced life. You have a component now. You are working, you are going to work. That is work life. Then you have to have a family life. So without going home or without managing family members, or your loved one, you cannot work better. Similarly, you have developed, your career should slowly develop to reach a maximum. Always you have to see a progress in your life that will give a positive energy to grow. And of course, you have to be very careful about your own health and, your, status, your positive mindset that you have to develop. So, yeah, I'm from a very rural village. I enjoyed my school life very well. I enjoyed my faculty life also with so many difficulties. I enjoyed, but I took challenges. We studied without electricity. Kerosene lamp. We used to go when vehicles were busy. We used to go medical faculty lecture hall. Oh, this university lecture hall more because there is no electricity at time. So after 10 o'clock, after studies, they will switch off the electricity. Then we have to go home to our group, our resident, our places. Where we took some young girls, no, batchmate girls also. We carefully take them, you know, gave their places and we went to home. And wherever I worked, had a lot of challenges, but I didn't take seriously. So I worked throughout in my previous career. I faced some challenges, but I didn't take anything seriously. So now I worked, during conflict time at the end of the war. So I was taken to fourth floor CID. So they put me in the cell about 4 months, where I used and I enjoyed the case because they are I learned a lot of things. I have to get up at 5:30 before 7:40. I should be get ready. Everything is 8 o'clock Western London. 8:15 I have to have the breakfast. Lunchtime. The set pass and then you can't eat much. So I learned a lot of things there. When you go somewhere else, if you face any challenges, so you have to overcome and survive and learn and enjoy. So still I am doing the same. So now as I said, there are more than 500 hospital medical administrators, and there are many other higher level like director and now the secretary is administrator DG, and then there are deputy director. This is the highlight about hundreds of people in the ministry. You want hang around Kalangu, you can choose. So otherwise you can go migrate and also you can work, you can join an NGO, you can join a private hospital, wherever political basis are available. So if you have a passion to work in medical administration, you should be taking challenges. You should be a good communicator and good listener. As said, when you go and meet your dean, he was always smiling. Big voices come, he was smiling and making decision of that. So you should be a good listener from the patients or staff and everyone will come with complaints and problem you have to solve it. Therefore, choosing medical administration is depend on your passion. So, but there are hundreds of opportunities. But my passion is working and teaching hospital. If I want, I can go and work at yes, but I don't like to go and work at Brazil. I like to work in a hospital. If I want, I can work as a quality director. Now, for me, the two choices are there. But still, I enjoy that. Hospital is a challenging, fighting people are coming, but there are something, medical administrators, they can change and they can produce the system. Like, teaching hospital, you can see some development, that is, we are working with that, working with the team. I'm not working with, I'm always working with the team, like consultant, nurses, English assistant, even cleaning service. So, we are working in staff and developing the system. Now, this administrator can change the system, can propose something. If you are in that mindset, you can choose the medical administration. You can work. I'm not working. I'm really enjoying the life. Because, tomorrow I have to do the quarter marathon. Last week, every Sunday I started quarter marathon. It's about 10.5 kilometer quarter marathon. Because last June I did about half marathon. I don't know. So the previous year I did two marathon in UK. By doing my passion to first and the ball audience, I want to motivate the team. So if you are a medical administrator, you can guide many people, but you have to practice first. You have to practice, not the outside education or qualification. More than that, you have to, enjoy the field, and now you have to enjoy the life because now never failed, while I was in medical student, I participated most of the event, even though I, score very low marks in, these games, the term of, you know, and but I had similar challenges, sitting exam by getting a good marks, but fortunately, so I developed all the skills, not fear about anything. So that I developed during my discussion period as well. Now we are with like Balamuki and the dean and the teams are giving lot of tips to your life. So my advice, choosing a good field, but work hard. Without work hard, because I see there are many people, the field, they are coming as consultant doctors, they are struggling to manage their life better. So, hard work is very, very important. Therefore, enjoy, enjoy the work and enjoy the life. Thank you very much.